I've been called MacGyver, so I can take anything and just put it together. So I grew up with my parents racing cars and at the Molson Indy for a lot of my childhood. And it was just fun working on the car with my dad, traveling around for them to go to races. Just a very hands-on sort of childhood. I became interested in trades discovery at BCIT because I didn't know which trade I wanted to go into, but I knew I had to go into a career that would be hands-on. It really just kind of helps branch out into which trade you might be interested in. I chose ironworking. Two years ago, I received a grant from Concert Properties, which was right before I actually got into my ironworking program. So it allowed me to get all the tools I needed for my program and my books, and it really just sort of helped set me up for my future. Working at heights is such an exhilarating feeling. You have adrenaline pumping through you and you're looking down at the ground and you're half nervous, and it's just the most incredible feeling. But as well, there's nothing that gives you more pride than when you drive past something you built and you can point it out knowing you built it from scratch. I love ironworking. I would like to thank everyone at Concert and in the Trades Discovery program. They've really helped build my confidence, and I just appreciate everything they've done for me. Hi, my name is Hannah Bayley, and I'm an ironworker apprentice.